So today we're gonna bring in an LED light that they are fireworks look like. You got the actual setups for your phone in there with the remote controls. Of course, we have the actual LED controls here. You guys can see that. We got the actual LED light. They have the double-sided tape. We're gonna set it up. First, we're gonna go ahead and set up our phones too. And these are the way they're supposed to be set up. And this is the center piece. So you're supposed to mark it in there so you can actually know exactly where to start from. If you're gonna set this up so it could be set up properly. They give you a little sticker to start. It's like more like a guidelines, all right? And then the actual LED light itself with all the beautiful little setup. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up and see how beautiful it looks at night. All right, so we have it off right now in a complete dark room. We turn it on and bam, we get the fireworks going. Beautiful lighting show. So we could change everything through a remote control. I'm just gonna go through random sources, different ones, and change every single one if you guys can see it and rotate them. I like that it's coming from the bottom. And then if you're gonna be streaming at night or in the day, you can do all sorts of different modes. One great feature is that it has this music mode, all right? So if you're talking loud, you can make the fireworks talk. So that's one thing that you can do. Of course, you could take it louder. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. And of course, we go back to the modes. This thing has so many variations of different modes that you can mess around. I've been going through the whole list, and it's just beautiful lighting effects that you have. And of course, I like the rainbow one that goes the rainbow. It shows different colors. RGB lighting, you can change the different modes if you want, any color you want. And if you don't like it, you can always turn it off. But look how beautiful it looks from far away. You have remote access with your phone, easy to set up. The lighting itself has a guide. I actually didn't use a guide. I used my eye pretty much. It's a little crooked, but it looks beautiful at night, especially if you have a dark room like this. Beautiful room with all the remote control that you have access to it. You have pretty much access to anything you want to do. I like a lot of these modes, especially this one right here. It's kind of like a night stars, of course. You want to go back to the reasonable music modes. Let's see this last one. This was actually a pretty good one, but it's completely dark until you talk loud enough. 1, 2, and we have a different audio. 1, and it changes to different colors. So we go back to the other these modes. So hopefully you guys like what you guys see. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you like the stars, if you like fireworks, this is a perfect thing to have in your room. If you're a streamer, perfect event to take with you and put in your back room. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.